See, to get the idea about the topic continuity, first of all, we require the idea about the further extension of limit topic. Let us say one simple example. First of all, let us discuss the meaning of this. What is the meaning of x tends to 5? Any of you? What is the meaning of
X is
x?
very near to 5.
Correct. X is very nearer to 5 but not 5. Now, if it is nearer to 5 but not 5, that means it may be 4.9 or 4.999 or 4.9999999 like this. But it is not exactly 5. Or you can write 5.01, 5.00001 or 5.000000001 like that, but not exactly 5. So this is the meaning of x tends to 5. Now it is written like x tends to 5 plus, if this sign is there, so it is known as right hand side limit. Right hand side limit. Meaning of this is the value of x is very nearer to 5, not 5 but more than 5. So only we have value like this only. So now onwards, if it is written like this, x tends to 5 plus, that means now it is very clear the value of x is very nearer to 5, not 5 but more than 5. Value of x is very nearer to 5, not 5 but more than 5. And if we write like this, x tends to 5 minus, it is left hand side limit. Meaning of this is the value of x is very nearer to 5, not 5 but less than 5. Yes, yes. Okay, any of you have any problem? Anybody? Okay. So when we write x tends to 5 minus, it is known as left hand side limit, and value of in that case is it is nearer to 5, not 5, less than 5. That means like this. So it is known as right hand side limit. The value of x is greater than 5, but not greater than 5 only. It is nearer to 5 also. Nearer to 5, but it should be more than 5. Here it should be less than 5. So let us discuss this. What is the meaning of this? X tends to minus 3 minus. Now can you tell me what are the possible values of x here?
minus 2.9, 2.9, minus 2.9.
Listen,
So
minus 2.
minus 3.1.
Correct, minus 3.01. Because minus 2.99 is more than minus 3. It is more than minus 3. We want less than minus 3. So less than minus 3 means this value. And if it is like this, minus 3 plus, in that case, it is minus 2.99 minus 2.9999999 like so. Okay, can you tell me what is the meaning of this x tends to 0 minus? Which are the possible values of x here?
Minus 0.11, 0.001.
Correct, minus 0.001 or minus 0.0000001 like that. And if we write Then
plus 0.001, sir.
correct. It is plus 0.00000001 like that. So now onwards, if there is a number and if we write sign like minus, then we can say that the value of x is nearer to that number but less than that. If plus sign is there, then more than that. Okay. Now let us discuss about first of all step function. Step function. Now what is the meaning of step function? So let us write one function f of x equal to 2x plus 5. This is one function. And there is one other function f of x equal to 3x minus 1 when x is greater than 5, 2x plus 3 when x equal to 5, and 5x plus 2 when x less than 5. These are two functions. Now, if there is a question for this, what is f of 3? Okay, can you tell me how to find out f of 3 here? In this function f of x equal to 2x plus 3, and if there is a question find out f of 3, how can you find out f of 3?
Instead of x, we will
2
put 3.
into 3 plus
Correct. Correct. So it is 6 plus 5, 11. Okay. If it is the question like f of 5, so we have to put x equal to 5. Simple. If there is a question f of minus 3, so we have to put x equal to minus 3. If you want to find out f of 0, we have to put x equal to 0. Okay, now tell me, what is f of 3 for this? What is f of 3 for this?
11.
F of 3.
9.
Okay, how can you find out the answer? Just tell me. What we have to do here?
2x plus 3. Put the value 3 in x.
Okay, listen. F of x equal to 2x plus 3 is possible only when x is 5. That means if x is 5, then and then you can use this function. But here our x is what? 5 or 3? Here x is 3, not 5. See, in f of 3 here, we have to put x equal to 3. That means we have, here also we have to put x equal to 3. But the question is where we have to put x equal to 3? In first function or in second or in third? It depends
Third
on the
function.
situation. Yes, perfect. Why? Because this third function is applicable when x is less than 5. So here we have to put in this third function, we have to put x equal to 3. So we get 15 plus 2, 17. Okay. What is f of 5? Where we have to put x equal to 5 now? In which function?
Second one.
Second. Perfect.
Second.
So we get answer 13. Now tell me, f of minus 3. Where we have to put minus 3? First, second or third?
The third one.
Third.
Third.
Perfect. In third we have to put minus 3. So minus 15 plus 2 is minus 13. Okay, where we have to put 0, f of 0.
Third.
Perfect. Once again third. 0 plus 2. Now f of 10.
First.
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 Because now x is more than 2. Now x is more than 2. So we have to put x equal to 10 in first function. 3 into 10 minus 1. 3 into 10 minus 1.
29.
Yes.
શું હોય બંનેને સવારના પાણી
Now,
હતું ખરેખર શું હતું પાણી મેં શું કીધું શરૂઆત
now, if we have a function like this, if we have a function like this, it is known as step function. And this is known as simple function. In simple function, whatever the value of x, we have to put in a same function. There is only one function and we have to put all values in that function only. In step function, depends on the value of x, we have to decide the function. Now, any of you can give me the practical example of step function? Any of you? Where we have to use this type of step function in practical life? Any of you? Because you are the student from commerce, you must have some idea about this step function because you are using this step function frequently in your commerce field. Any of you?
every month
Pardon?
to calculate salary.
To calculate salary. I don't think we have to use this type of function in salary. Maybe you can use, but I am not able to get how to use. Can you elaborate? Okay. Any of you know how can we use this step function in income tax?
For calculating in tax by slab system.
Correct. The slab system. You are absolutely right. That slab system is nothing but our step function. If your income, let us say X is income is less than 3 lakhs, your income tax, let us say f of x is income tax is, let us say, 0. But if your income is 3 lakhs, more than 3 lakhs but less than 5 lakhs, whatever your income minus 3 lakhs, that is the extra income more than 3 lakhs, 10% of that is your income tax. If your income is more than 5 lakhs and less than 10 lakh, like that, so for 2 lakh you have to pay 10% for 2 lakh. Why 2 lakh? Difference between these two, that is 2 lakh. So you have to pay 20,000 plus 15% or 20%, whatever the slab right now, 15% of income minus 5 lakhs, because whatever your income more than 5 lakhs, 15% of that plus 20,000, that is your income tax. In that way you can generate your step function. So this is step function. So, and see, in US maybe I don't know exactly, but up to few years back, in US it is a flat system. Whatever your income, you have to pay 30% is your income tax. Whatever your income, whether it's 5 rupees or 10 rupees or 1 lakh or 1 crore, anything, you have to pay 30%. That is a flat rate. So that is a simple function. And in India, we know that income taxes depends on income, and it depends on your income, how much you have to pay. That is why it is known as step function. Slab system is there. Okay. Now, let us take one example of limit. If f of x equal to 5x plus 9, x greater than 2, 7x plus 1, x equal to 2, 6x plus 7, x less than 2. if this is the step function, if f of x is this, then find limit x tends to 2 f of x. This is the question. Once again, see the question. F of x is given. See, if it is like this, f of x equal to x square minus 25 upon x minus 5, find limit x tends to 5 f of x. If this is the question, then we know how to find out the answer. Limit x tends to 5, put f of x. F of x is what? X square minus 25 upon x minus 5, and we know that how to find out the answer of this question. Just we have to find out the factors. The factor is x minus 5, x plus 5 upon x minus 5 is there, and you can cancel and you will get 5 plus 5, 10 is the answer for this question. If this is the question, then 10 is the answer. And here the question is almost same like this. Find limit x tends to f of x. Here f of x is this. That is a simple function. Here f of x is a step function. Now the question is, when there is a situation like limit x tends to 2 f of x. So which f of x we have to put here? First one, second one, or third one? Can you tell me?
Second.
What? Second. Now listen, when we have to put second one, when x is 2. When x is 2, you can put in second one. Now tell me, what is the meaning of x tends to 2?
It is nearer to 2
The
but
value
not
of
2.
x is very, very nearer to 2, but not 2.
Correct. It is nearer to 2 but not 2. Not 2. That means this function, second function, is applicable only when x is 2. But here we know that x is not 2. That means there is no scope for the second one. There is a no scope for the second one. Reason, we know the meaning of x tends to 2. It is x is nearer to 2 but not 2. So here we have to avoid this second function. So now there is a question, which one we have to put, first one or third one? Because the meaning of x tends to 2 is nearer to 2 but not 2. Nearer to 2, it may be more than 2 or less than 2 but not 2. In this case, we require the concept of left hand side limit and right hand side limit. So here in this situation we have to find out two limit, right hand side limit and left hand side limit. In right hand side limit, what we have to do? We have to write limit x tends to 2 plus. And if we write limit x tends to 2 plus, then tell me, if we write like this, then tell me which function we have to use now?
First one.
First one, 5x plus 9, because this first function is applicable when x is more than 2. Okay, and after deciding the function, what we have to do? We have to put x equal to 2. Okay, now once again, we know the value of x is nearer to 2 but not 2. Then why we have to put x equal to 2 here? Any of you? See, once we know that x tends to 2 means x is not equal to 2. Here also the same thing. Limit x tends to 5 is there. And here we put x equal to 5. Here we put x equal to 5. Actually we know that x is not 5. So why we have to put x equal to 5 here? Any of you?
Hello, sir. Hello.
Yes.
Sir, if we take 2.0001, so it's greater than 2.
Very
It's
good.
like that.
Very good.
Yes.
Very good. So actually we have to put x equal to not 2, but it may be 2.00000000000001. You can put like this. So what is your answer? it is 10.0000000000 something plus 9. So ultimately we get 10 plus 9, that means 19. So no need to do this much exercise, no need to put this much zero. You can put directly 2, no problem at all. But actually it is not 0. And that is why we require the concept of limit. Just recall your first lecture of limit. In that we discuss it, this one in very detail. So now we can put 2. Actually we have to put 2.00000001. But it is nearer to 2. So you can put 2. Your answer is 10 plus 9, 19. Actual answer is 19.00000000. But roughly you can say 19. Now you have to find out left hand side limit. And in left hand side limit, what we have to do? We have to put minus sign. So x tends to 2 minus. Listen carefully. X tends to 2 minus. It doesn't mean that it is minus 2. X tends to 2 minus. Once again, what is the meaning of x tends to 2 minus? Any of you?
Yes, sir. The value of
X
2
is
is very
less
near
than
to like 1.9999, but not
Correct.
exactly 2.
Correct. Yes, it is not minus 2, but it is less than 2. 1.99999 like that. Okay. So now which function we have to take? First, second, or
the
third?
third one.
Third
Third
one.
one.
Third one. The function is 6x plus 7. And now tell me what we have to do.
We put x is equal to
2.
Yes,
2.
actual value is not 2, it is 1.9999999. But you can write 1.99999 is 2. So we get 12 plus 7, 19. Now check the right hand side value and left hand side value. Check, are they equal? If answer is yes, then we can say that the value of the function is limit. We can say that the limit of the function is 19. Here, right hand side limit equal to left hand side limit. Therefore, we can say that limit x tends to 2 f of x equal to 19. This is our answer. And now the question is, if they are not equal, then what? So, if they are not equal, if right hand side limit is not equal to left hand side limit, then we can say that limit does not exist. Limit does not exist. Means limit is not possible. So if left hand side limit and right hand side limit are equal, then that is our answer. If they are not equal, then we can say that limit does not exist. So now let us take one more example. If f of x equal to x square minus 9 upon x minus 3, x is greater than 3, 2x, x equal to 3, and 5x minus 9 minus 10, x less than 3. Then find f of 3 and limit x tends to 3 f of x. So this is the question. So now how to find out this? Okay, first thing, f of 3, what to do? Tell me, where we have to put x equal to 3? In first function, second or third?
Second.
Second.
Second function.
So in second function, we have to put x equal to 3, we get answer 6. So this is the answer of first part, over. Now to find out the answer of this, which function we have to use? First one, second one, or third one?
First and third.
Okay, not second one, either first or third. Reason, x tends to 3 means more than 3 or less than 3 but not 3, very nearer to 3. So that is why, how to find out this one? Can you tell me how to find out this limit?
Left hand side, right hand.
Yes, we have to find out two limit, left hand side limit and right hand side limit. You can start with anyone, no problem. Let us start with left hand side limit. Sorry, right hand side limit. So in right hand side limit, what we have to do? What we have to write here? 3 plus or minus?
Plus.
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 Plus. Then which function we have to write?
First one.
First one, x square minus 9 upon x minus 3. Now can you tell me what to do? Put x equal to 3. If you put x equal to 3, then what happened? If you put 3, then 3 square 9 minus 9, 0. 3 minus 3, 0. We get 0 by 0. Now if we have 0 by 0, how to find out answer?
Factorizing.
Simplify.
Correct. Factor of this is very simple. You can cancel x minus 3. Now put x equal to 3. So we get 3 plus 3, 6. So our right hand side limit is 3. Right hand side limit is 3. Now let us find out left hand side limit. Left hand side limit. Limit x tends to 3 minus. Which function we have to use here?
Third one.
Third.
Third one, 5x minus 10. Now put x equal to 3. Here we are not able to get 0 by 0. So whatever we have, that is our answer. 5 into 3 minus 10. 15 minus 10. That is what? 5. Now can you tell me what is your final answer regarding this second part of the question? Limit x tends to 3 f of x.
Limit does not exist.
Limit does not exist.
Yes, here right hand side limit is not equal to left hand side limit. Therefore, we can say that limit does not exist. Therefore, we can say that limit does not exist. So that is our final answer for this. Okay. Now let us take one more example. Yes. Any of you have any problem? Okay. Let us take one more example. If f of x equal to root x minus 7 upon x minus 49 when x is greater than 49. Next, x plus 7 when x equal to 49 and x square minus 5 upon x minus 7 when x less than 49. Find f of 49 and limit x tends to 5 f of x. This is a question. Can you find out f of 49? Which function we have to use?
Second.
Second function.
Second
X
function.
7. The answer is very simple. 56. Over. Now, next one. Limit x tends to 5. F of x. How can you find out this?
Third
How
function.
can you find out this?
Sir, as per third equation.
Which function we have to use here? First one, second one, or
Third function.
third one? Only third one. Only third one. So that is why no need to find out left hand side limit and right hand side limit. No need to find out left hand side and right hand side, because only this third function is applicable for all situation which when x is, say, less than 49. Less than 49, that means obviously it is less nearer to whatever the value, nearer to 5 or more than less than 5 or more than 5, but nearer to 5, that means values are very close to 5, and all values which are very close to 5 are less than 49. So no need to find out right hand side limit and left hand side limit. You can simply put your first function only. Once again, why we have to avoid to use first function? The answer is first function is applicable only when x is more than 49. When x is less than 49, you have to use this function. And our x is, say, what is the meaning of this? Limit x tends to 5 plus. If we use this or this, in both the case, your x is less than 49. Why? Because here it is 5.001 and here it is 4.999. Both the values are less than 49. So in both the case we have to use the first function. So no need to find out separate limit. No need to find out separate limit means right hand side limit and left hand side limit. You can simply put one limit only and find out your answer. So it is limit. Okay, now what we have to do? Put x equal to 5. 5 square 25 minus 5. And here 5 minus 7. So we get 20 divided by minus 2. So minus 10 is the answer over. So you have to use carefully this type of the question. You have to do carefully this type of questions. I think this is more than enough for today. We will discuss. See, this is the point we require to get the idea about the continuity of the function. So to get the idea of the continuity of the function, we require the knowledge of this thing. It is not the part of limit. Actually, it is a part of continuity. So next lecture onwards, we will start continuity in a proper form. Still, any of you have any problem, you can ask your doubt. If you have any problem, you can ask your doubt. Any student have any problem? Okay, so you can leave the meeting, so I will take your attendance. Leave the meeting. Please leave the meeting within a 1 minute, so I will take your attendance. Please leave the meeting. Within a 1 minute, please leave the meeting. Everybody be fast. Everybody be fast. Leave the meeting. Leave the meeting, please. Listen, I am not able to take your attendance if you are not leave the meeting. Be careful about this. Now I will give you only 20 seconds. Otherwise, I cancel the meeting